Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ad, Facebook Ad, and Bing Ad certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. We help cases for Google Ads, Google Merchant Center, Google Shopping, and today I'm here with another amazing exclusive case study. It's a long day case study, but it was only possible through the client patience and a lot of work being done regarding the Merchant Center account to get it restored. It's nothing easy. We have a 170 plus checklist to get the accounts restored. And in case if you're looking for a professional help, me and my team can definitely help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description. But let's get started on the case study we have, because the account had lots of issues, and this was the case being assigned to us. You can see over here the account had been suspended for a policy violation. The target country was Greece. Promotional overlay on image link, invalid value, missing value for image link, shipping, missing value description, restricted adult content, invalid character encoding, missing potentially required value. A lot of ring stuff was being done over here. And if I show you the website as well, so this is their website. You can see over here, it's a website in the Greece. You can see over here their products, services, and you can see they are promoting. So what was done was, it was only possible through the consistency of, I can tell you, like hundreds of audits being done multiple times. The cases was being invented the cooldown, and I'm glad that we got it manually recovered as well. So I can show you over here as well. This was the misrepresentation over here. You can see over here as well done. You can see the constant communication with Google support, as we are Google partner company, Google chat. I'm just showing you some of the famous one, but we had like few of my team were daily in constant in touch, emails, chat, everything was being done. Account review was failed. Products had issues. Product went into live for some time, then suspended again. Review requested again, failed again. Account went to the cooldown again. You can see over here the account is again May cooldown in the May 29, 22. The account, the last review was on the 29th May. But we got it reviewed manually. Our review requested were failed. So I can show you as well some of my audits being done as well. So you can see on like this was an audit done, over here, like 5-star product page, social media pages, lacks over here as well. Upon checking the account, everything was being mentioned, like they told us many times regarding the approvals. I can show you the works further audits as well. Social media verification, testing, contact page audit, pages needs to be done. A lot pages done were added, dead links, plagiarism. So many issues were over there. So many audits were being done. You can see Instagram pages, Google Map listing verification, again pages, suggestions, some speed issues, plagiarism failed. You can see this one is for different. Okay, again this was another audit. Essential pages like track my order, payment policy page were missing, disclaimer page missing, contact us page not found in the website, plagiarism content was being found, site speed issues, broken link issues. I mean, I can tell you, like we did hundreds of audit. You can see over here, this is another audit as well done. Food business timing missing in the footer, product page does not have any reviews, pages to be added, broken links were solved, speed was improved, social media engagement was still required, email testing was done as well. If I show you this audit as well, I mean, I can tell you on another report audit over here as well. No email received. Plagiarism content was 18% on another page. Some pages were missing. Again, we also thoroughly investigated the GMC account as well, because the GMC account business information needs to be matched with the website. Everything was, are we missing anything over here on the checkout procedure, any issues in the robot file, any issues in the Google search console. We also thoroughly looked the Google search console account as well, because the case went into multiple rejections, multiple cooldowns. So we were very worried, because it took us a lot of time. I can tell you the reports, audits going on, happening on daily basis. The team was in touch. Some payment issues were found. So you can see over here as well. No Google listing, no GMC listing. Another audit, another day, another audit. So many hard work done. This was an Instagram page. Some information regarding do not sell when information page was need to be added. Disclaimer page, some had issues. Then the another was over here. Now this was another detailed audit, because we looked on the email, we looked at the social media verification, contact touch page. This is their Google Merchant Center listing, which was finally added. We did the changes over there as well. We looked on the website footer. We even called the numbers, sent the emails, personally verified it, used look around on the page which was not actually being existent, not available, suggested some disclaimer questions, frequently added questions, discuss on the warranty. Was the warranty valid? How we are claiming the warranty? How we are solving it? Our legal situation, policy page, shipping. We actually examined each and every page. Thorough work was being done over here. Plagiarism was still over there. Speed was increased. A lot stuff was being done. You can see over here that a lot work is being done on the account as well. So that also, is a constant thing which has to be done, for Google. And you can see over here, this is the support we are getting for them. And then it was like after months and months of waiting, we actually, one of my staff got the reply from the Google. Hi, Zagam. Thank you for contacting GTech customer support experience about your Google Merchant Center account. I hope this email finds you well. We have re-evaluated your account, and I wanted to let you know that the policy issues affecting the account have been resolved. The account was reapproved on May 28th. It may take 24 to 48 hours for our system to synchronize for the item to start fully serving across Google. Meanwhile, to keep your listing active, please remind that compliance is essential for protection of our users and the long-term running of your Google Merchant Center account. To remain compliant, you may visit policies. I truly appreciate your patience while we work on a query. Thank you for bringing up to our attention. And this is another, successful case study after months of fail. Now I'm going to show you the GMC account as well. So you can see the account had free listings being finally approved. The dynamic campaign is finally approved. Shopping ads done finally approved. Free local listings finally, still five are approved. So this is another case study for account being approved after so many disapprovals, so many rejections. So yeah, this is another successful case study. And guys, that every case is a new learning. So with 170 plus step checklist audit, we are happy to let you know that this is a successful case study for our client. So in case if you are looking for a professional help regarding Google Ads, uh, suspension, management, Google Merchant Center account suspension, restoration, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description. We would love to work with you. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you get a notification. And once again, in case if you still have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video and I will be happy to answer. And if you're looking for a professional help regarding Google Merchant Center restoration, do hire me and my team and we will love to work with you. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.